my beautiful angels. How are you? Today is a review video. One of our angels asked to give a review on this palette. This one. You must have seen in my haul. The name is Colorboard Beauty Glazed. This palette has 60 shades. Some are glittery, some are shimmery, and some are matte. These are matte shades. This one is also matte. This one is also matte. This has a little bit of shimmer. These are shimmery. This one. These are shimmery. This is matte shade. These are glittery. I hope you can now see what are shimmery shades and what are glittery and what are matte shades. Let's talk about shimmery products. Let's take shimmery. This one. It's really good. See? It's not chalky at all. It's not chalky. Chalky means it's not powdery. See? Pigmentation is good. It's also giving that shine, shimmer. I have applied this. Now I will apply this one. This is also not at all chalky. Not at all chalky. See? This one is also good. It won't fall under your eyes. Not at all chalky. From second one I will take one shade. Let's take this one. This is shimmery. I will first try shimmery shades only. Here you go. See? Color is really nice. I am taking one from this. This one is shimmery. These are also shimmery, but I am trying this one. Don't worry, I am cleaning in between with this tissue. Now this is, wow, this one is also good. Now for from the fourth one, this one, let's take this one, pink. Let me clean my finger first and take this shimmery shade, apply it over here. See, it's nice, it's good. Yes, for shimmery shades. Now let's have a look at those glitter shades. These are glitter shades. We will take swatch of every single one. Okay. Golden one on this end. See? This is the golden one. And green. Now dark green. Now two from the second one, red. And now orange glitter. Orange glitter. Now we will apply sky blue and dark blue glitter. Let's watch here. Here is our sky blue one. Now our dark blue, purple, silver. You can see here I have applied silver glitters. I have placed a mirror here. Let me see. It's been 2 hours I have applied this. The glitters are great. It didn't fall off from my eyes. These are the glitters that we have in this palette. A big yes to glitter shades. Now, most important matte shades. We will take this yellow color. Here Can you see? Yes, you can see this is the yellow color. Let's take a look on second number palette. Here. Now I am taking a color from this one. Let's take this one. Can you see that dot of that color? It's because it's chalky. It's powdery. Now from here we will take pink color. This makeup I have done of my eyes is with this palette only. I will post a link in the description box below. You can check if you want this makeup tutorial. I have done with this palette. So for this palette matte shades, I would suggest they are a bit chalky, but they are also pigmented. So before you use them on your eyes, don't forget to put a lot of compact under your eyes, or put loose powder, any loose powder you have under your eyes, so that you can dust off easily if you have any fallout on your eyes. Otherwise that glitter or shimmery product won't fall out on your eyes. So don't worry, I will give you a yes for this product if you want to buy. So now I hope you liked my review. If you want any review about any product I have purchased, if you want me to use some of the products, you can tell me in the comment section below. I am here for you guys, for you angels. So please tell your friends, family, or whoever you want to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you so much, my angels. Love you.